Frogs, masters of two worlds. Frogs belong to the group of animals known as amphibians. This group includes species capable of living both in water and on land. Frogs have existed on Earth for approximately 250 million years, making them highly resilient and adaptable organisms. There are more than 7,000 frog species worldwide. They have adapted to a wide range of habitats, from tropical rainforests to cold mountain lakes, wetlands, and even deserts. This broad distribution is a clear sign of their evolutionary success. Frogs are not only remarkable for their appearance, but also for their critical role in ecosystems. The life of a frog begins with eggs laid in water. The young that hatch from these eggs are called tadpoles. Tadpoles have a fish-like body structure, breathe through gills, and swim using a tail. Over time, tadpoles undergo a dramatic transformation. First, the hind legs develop, followed by the front legs. Lungs form, the gills disappear, and the tail is gradually absorbed into the body. This process is known as metamorphosis and is one of the most striking biological transformations in nature. Through metamorphosis, frogs become animals capable of living both in water and on land. Thanks to their powerful hind legs, frogs can jump extremely long distances. Some species are capable of leaping more than 20 times their body length. This ability is vital for both hunting prey and escaping predators. While hunting, frogs often remain completely motionless. When prey comes within range, they capture it in milliseconds using their sticky, lightning-fast tongue. Their diet mainly consists of insects such as flies, mosquitoes, and spiders. By feeding on these species, frogs help control harmful insect populations. A frog's skin is extremely thin and permeable. This allows frogs to breathe not only with their lungs, but also directly through their skin. This adaptation enables them to remain underwater for extended periods. However, this also makes frogs highly vulnerable to environmental pollution. Harmful chemicals and toxins can easily enter their bodies through the skin. For this reason, frogs are considered bioindicators by scientists. A decline in frog populations often signals serious environmental problems. Some frog species display bright, vivid colors. These colors serve as a warning to predators, signaling that the frog is toxic or poisonous. Poison dart frogs, in particular, are among the most toxic animals on Earth. Other species rely on camouflage instead. They blend perfectly into their surroundings, resembling leaves, mud, or tree bark. These defense strategies are the result of millions of years of evolution. Frogs are especially vocal during the breeding season. Male frogs produce distinctive calls to attract females. Each species has its own unique call. Scientists can often identify frog species solely by listening to these sounds. Vocalizations are also used to defend territory and deter rivals. Today, a large number of frog species are threatened with extinction. Habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and deadly fungal diseases are the main causes of their decline. Over the past 50 years, amphibian populations worldwide have decreased dramatically. This decline poses a serious threat to ecosystem balance. Protecting frogs means protecting the balance of nature itself. Frogs have highly developed vision, especially for detecting movement. Their eyes are positioned to provide a wide field of view, allowing them to spot predators and prey simultaneously. Frogs can see well in low-light conditions, which makes them effective nocturnal hunters. They are also able to perceive vibrations through the ground and water, helping them detect approaching threats. In colder climates, many frog species survive winter through hibernation. They bury themselves in mud or leaf litter to avoid freezing temperatures. Some species produce natural antifreeze substances in their bodies, allowing them to survive even when parts of their body freeze. When temperatures rise, they thaw and resume normal activity. Most frogs reproduce through external fertilization, with eggs laid in water. However, some species exhibit surprising forms of parental care. Certain frogs carry eggs on their backs, inside their mouths, or even in their stomachs until they hatch. These behaviors greatly increase the survival chances of the offspring. Frog skin produces a variety of chemical compounds. Some of these substances have strong antimicrobial properties. Scientists are studying frog skin secretions for potential use in antibiotics and painkillers. These natural chemicals may play a role in future medical treatments. Frogs occupy a key position in the food chain. They are both predators of insects and prey for birds, reptiles, fish, and mammals. By controlling insect populations, frogs help maintain ecological balance. Their decline can cause chain reactions throughout ecosystems. Climate change is altering frog habitats worldwide. Rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns affect breeding cycles. As a result, some frog species are shifting their geographic range or disappearing entirely from former habitats. These changes offer scientists valuable insights into global environmental trends.